Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making spicy creamy udon. The recipe I'm mostly following today is from Kenna's Cooks and I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. The ingredients you'll need are 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 garlic cloves, 1 shallot, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 2 packets of udon noodles, and for garnish you'll also need a spring onion and some Parmesan cheese. We're going to start by melting the 2 tablespoons of butter in a hot pan. Once we've melted the butter, we're going to add the minced garlic and the cut up shallot. I also added the white parts of the spring onion as well. Now in Kenna's recipe, she also says you can add kimchi at this stage. I am not using kimchi because I can't eat fish or seafood, but I imagine that adding kimchi would be absolutely amazing in this dish. You're going to let this cook until it is fragrant. Now my camera likes to turn itself off every so often and I didn't notice this time, so I missed putting 1 heaping tablespoon of gochujang into the pan, and you leave this in the pan for 1 to 2 minutes, occasionally stirring it in. I also missed filming me adding 1 cup of cream into this mixture as well. You want to mix it until you get a nice pinky colour or almost salmon type colour. And then you can also add the soy sauce and, if you'd like to, sesame oil as well. Now if your udon noodles need cooking, this will be the perfect time to do it as we let the sauce simmer. Once the udon noodles are ready and you are happy with the consistency of your sauce, it's now time to add the noodles to the sauce and give them a good mix. Make sure all the noodles are coated. When it comes to serve, you can garnish with the Parmesan cheese, spring onions and sesame seeds. Thank you very much for watching the first long video in November 2024. Don't forget, I am posting instant noodle reviews as shorts every day in November, so if that's something you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel. And again, thank you very much for watching.